Imagine Barry Allen gets hit with a surprise expense. He doesn't panic, he goes full speed force. Your emergency fund should work just as fast. When life throws you a curveball, instantly transfer cash from your emergency stash, then focus on topping it up, lightning quick. Set up auto transfers from your main account so your fund recovers without you even thinking. Think like the Flash. React fast, recover faster. Don't let setbacks slow you down. Want more superhero money moves? Dash over to my YouTube channel for the next level.